Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Fever. Hasn't been long, I just did a video. Thought I'd give you two in a row since I haven't done a whole lot this summer. As you all know, I've been very busy. I've been to Costa Rica and vacationing and stuff. So anyway, I wanted to share with you a video today on pruning, because I think pruning is something that often intimidates a lot of people, and so they don't do a whole lot of it. And I think pruning can be very beneficial to your plants, particularly the herbs and stuff, but I'll also give some tips on how to do larger branches for trees and stuff in this video. I won't keep it to just herbs, but I wanted to focus on herbs because they particularly benefit a lot when you clip them and prune them. So anyway, here's a video on pruning. I hope you enjoy it. I wanted to thank all my subscribers. Also a special note, we hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. When I first started doing this, I had no idea that I would ever get to this point. I'm very excited. I want to thank all of you for that. Don't be afraid to prune your plants, because think of it like giving a haircut, and oftentimes pruning your plants can be extremely beneficial and healthy for your plants. There is such thing as over pruning, but if you understand the basics when it comes to it, you usually won't do that. First, use some sterile clippers. Make sure your clippers are clean. I always forget to tell everybody that, but that is important when you're pruning and clipping, is always make sure they're clean. If you notice here, I clipped right above where you see these two suckers coming out of the joints. That's where you want to prune all your herbs and stuff, because see, those two suckers are going to now turn into stems, and that's going to bush your herb out. So if you do it to all of these, you're going to bush your plant out throughout the year. By the end of the summer, it's going to be all thick and bushy, where if you don't, it may be leggy, and each leg may have a lot of leaves, but you're going to get one stem shooting off. One question that is often asked is, what should I prune? When it comes to the herbs, it would be all the stems that have suckers coming out of the joints. You just clip right above where the suckers are on the stem. But when it comes to other types of plants, a lot of times people don't know which ones they should cut. So these are the rules of pruning that I like to stick to when it comes to identifying what we should cut and what we shouldn't, as far as what Garden Fever likes to follow. Here's an example of tree branches. They're kind of a three-step cut. This is a good way to prune larger branches. quite as planned, but it worked. So, guess we could hit stop on this, huh? Thanks for watching this video. I wanted to give another shout out to my subscribers. I'm really excited we hit 10K. Share, like, comment, bell, all that fun jazz. And let's turn the world into a paradise, one yard, one garden at a time.